Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to scan QR code in Infinix Note 11s smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to swipe up, then choose Smart Scanner from the list. So this one is a QR code. Now we'll scan this. Now the QR code is scanned successfully and it shows the web page of the QR code. So it will navigate to the App Store. Also we will try to scan barcode also. So barcode also scanned successfully. It gives the results. So with this method you can easily scan the QR codes. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.